Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a Instagram story creatively and easily. Without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram and select story. Take a picture. Now click on GIF logo and search for diamond. I'm selecting this GIF and let's zoom in. Now save the picture and go back. Now select the saved picture from Photos app. Click on drawing logo. Here you select black color. Tap and hold on the picture. Total picture will become black in color. And now click on eraser logo on top and write whatever you want. Your image looks like this. Click on Instagram. Select a story. Take a picture. Click on top right text logo and type dot space 10 times and not particularly 10 times. You can do whatever you want. And now select highlight symbol at top. Select color and zoom in like this. And do the same way by using different colors to look story more attractive. Here the story looks more attractive, depends upon your creativity. You can also save this image and use as your iPhone wallpaper. Click on Instagram story and fire up the camera. Here select boomerang. Take a short video clip and now click on top boomerang logo. Here you can trim the video from start and end point. You can also slow down the video, and this is my favorite echo effect, and this is a effect which you can see a glitch effect. By this you can edit boomerang video in Instagram. Open Instagram and fire up the camera. Here select layout, change grid into 3 or whatever you want. Take 3 different images. And you can zoom in or zoom out by pinching them like this. You can add a creative story, depends on image. Open Instagram, take a picture, click on GIF and search for collage letters. Here you can select whatever you want. I am selecting letter Y, E and S like this. You can add some unique and different stories. Open Instagram and select a picture from your Photos app. I'm selecting here sunrise and tap on text logo and type whatever you want. I'm typing here good morning. Let it place here. Again tap on text logo and type same, but now click on color and choose another color. Let's place on that exact. By placing on that, you find a shadow type effect. Now tap on GIF logo and select good morning. Like this you can keep a story or a birthday wishes or anything. Thanks for watching.